Tailored Rides Equine Assisted Therapy is a very small organization with an annual operating budget of roughly $25,000. Our primary service benefits adults and children with disabilities. We provide instruction and education about horses, farming, life skills, and emotional well-being. During this time, students cannot attend our program, and our donations to the organization have virtually stopped. Like every organization, Tailored Rides has been greatly impacted by the coronavirus. As we watch the spread of the virus move closer and closer to our area, we made the difficult decision to cease face-to-face activities beginning March 22nd. Most of our participants and many of our volunteers are considered high risk with pre-existing health conditions. We felt it was our duty to lead and pause operations for the health and wellness of our treat family. The biggest recommendation to flatten the curve is to be socially distant, though our mission is difficult to accomplish from a distance. Tailored Rides is a direct services organization, and this pandemic has made us rethink our methods of connection with our community and clients. Tailored Rides serves a marginalized population that already struggles with feelings of isolation and disconnect. The last several weeks has made them and others especially vulnerable to these emotions. In an effort to address these feelings, we have developed virtual and personal touches that have allowed us to be socially connected while being physically distant. Creating pen pals, personalized at-home coloring pictures, interactive trivia about their favorite horse, farm fresh food giveaways. These are a few of our strategies to let our treat family know we are not distant, we are very much present and available. Our organization has worked diligently to create multiple funding streams to build sustainability, but this is an unprecedented time. We rely on our community to fund 50% of our budget, 10% from in-kind donations, and 40% from our fees for service. Our community is hurting and just trying to make sure they can put food on the tables for their families. Because of this major shift in our economy, people are in crisis mode and our donations have virtually stopped. But that doesn't mean that the cost to operate our organization has ceased. We have an equine staff of 5 that requires daily care, feed, supplements, and exercise. They are the tools that allow us to fulfill our mission. Your additional grant funding would help alleviate a significant and unexpected loss in our budget. Our certified therapeutic riding instructor typically teaches 40 lessons a month and is lost wages of approximately $3,000. Halting lessons during this period of time eliminated $6,000 of our expected budget. That money helps cover the cost of feeding our horses, roughly $125 a week. Tailored Rides is also entering into our primary fundraising season, with several campaigns just around the corner that account for 80% of our fundraising budget for the year. We are concerned that our community will not have the funds available to support us. On trend with the rest of the U.S., Lamar County has seen an exponential surge in unemployment filings in a county that even before this pandemic had a poverty rate of 17.8%. Any additional funding that the IECA Foundation can provide to Tailored Rides assists us in continuing to serve our clients during the most desperate and critical times. Additional funding will help our organization support the students that have declined physically due to the lapse in their individual teaching plans. These dollars are needed in the short term as we begin seeing students. We know this is not a return to normal. It is an assessment of impact on our operations and to each student. With that being said, Tailored Rides is ready with a reopening strategy. Operating within the nonprofit sector forces us to be adaptable and have Plan A through Z ready. We are closely monitoring the CDC's guidelines on how to protect ourselves and the health of our community. For details about our timeline for a slow reopening or our hygiene and sanitation strategies, please visit tailoredrides.org or our Facebook page.